welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I detangle my daughter's matted hair. You can see how matted her hair is. I'm going to show you how I detangle it by using this DIY detangler that I made. I have a video on how I created this detangler. You can check it out in the description box below. I'll leave the link in the description box. So let's get to the video. I've finished finger detangling her hair. As you can see, it feels soft and manageable. I can easily separate it with my finger. You can see. I want to proceed by using it as a prepoo. That's a pre-shampoo treatment. So by doing that, I'll be adding this oil to it. After that, I cover it with a plastic for 30 minutes. So now I add oil to it. The detangler can also be used as a prepoo. So I finished detangling her hair with it, and I decided to add a little bit of oil to it. Then I twist it up like this and tuck it in. So that's how I'm going to do the rest. Add a little bit of oil to the section, massage it in the ends. Okay, then I twist it up. Then I roll it up. And now the last section, a little bit of oil. More oil to the ends. Twist it up. And then roll it in. Okay, so now I've done applying the prepoo. Now I'm going to cover our hair with this plastic cap, and then she leave it on for 30 minutes before shampooing her hair. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.